Lasagna with Miss Dawes Handmade Creations, and today I come to you with another unboxing. This is from my Black Friday sale haul. Y'all will be seeing a lot of these. So this one is again a square. Oh my gosh, I didn't realize I had so many squares. I was just wanting the, the canvas. Then when I getting them in, I'm like, they're all squares. They are all squares. But anyway, so this one is called Virgo by Josephine Wall. Oh my goodness. So I saw this one and another one, which y'all will see whenever it gets here. But I saw Josephine Wall was doing the zodiac signs, and Diamond Art Club has started putting them on their site. And I said, you know what? That'd be a great project to do for each one of my children and my husband. So the first ones that I could get were Virgo, which is my daughter Trinity. She is a Virgo. So let's get into this baby. Let's see. So whenever they do put the other ones up, y'all know I will be getting those. All right. Ooh, this is a huge one. Wow. Okay. Let's see. Our two stickers and our, what's it called, the sheet. All right. Toolkit square. Y'all have seen it before. Same as the others. Here is my sticker I put in my book. I keep putting them up there so when I get to it, I can put it in my book. Alright. Here is the beautiful Virgo. Oh my goodness. This is gorgeous. It is a square. Again, it's by Josephine Wall. And it is 70 centimeters by 87 centimeters, which is 27.6 by 34.2 inches. It does have ABs, and it looks like there are 3. There are 55 colors. OMG. 55 colors. Still doesn't beat 60 yet, but 55. Let's get into it. I want to see this baby. I was so excited to see that they're coming out with her zodiac sign paintings. They're so beautiful. Now, I know that can't... Okay, it says 2 of 2. I'm like, no, that ain't all the drill. There we go. And they put them in these tiny, tiny bags. Here is your step-by-step instructions. If you've never diamond painted before, these are great to look at. And it also has a coupon code inside. All right. All right, so we're going to roll it back the other way. Remember, all Diamond Art Club canvases are poured glue. So you can roll your canvases the other way to make them lay flat. Okay, I'm getting creases, but it's not going to hurt it. Sometimes it takes a minute to get it going. All right, straighten it out. Absolutely love the canvas. Look at that stitching there with the scallop edge. That alleviates fraying. So we got 2 bags of drills we got to go through. Let's look at her. I got to move over a little bit more. All right, let's see if we can get her under there. She's going to have to bend up just a little bit, but look at her. Look at that cute face. This is beautiful. Look at all those lavenders and purples. And I love what attracted me to this one, not just because it's a zodiac sign Virgo, but look at the shine around her. She is shining. Shine bright like a diamond. Yes, a diamond paint. That's what I'm talking about. I absolutely love it. Oh my goodness. Of course, Diamond Art Club fashion. You got the schematics on the top left and the bottom right. Bottom right. Look at this. I am absolutely loving these flowers that are coming up, but they look like they're shining. Oh, they're glowing. That's what it looks like. Glowing, glowing. Look at this. Flowing hair. I love her jewelry. This dress is on point. Gave my sister a little curve there. Look at the greeneries here. This is so pretty. These beautiful flowers. Purple lavender flowers. Butterflies. I love butterflies. Oh my gosh, I didn't even notice. There's a kitty cat right here. And a doggy. Oh my gosh. If this is not my daughter. She loves animals. Oh my gosh. Virgo. And then, look at the cross here, guys. What are you talking about? Yes, Josephine. This is gorgeous. I absolutely love it. Let's look at the drill field. Y'all can tell me these symbols are not clear. Diamond Art Club never has a problem with that. Never. I absolutely love it. And that was a surprise that those animals are in this. I didn't see that when I first got it, when I first ordered it. Kitty cat and a dog. Are you kidding me? She's going to love that part. I hope they do real good on the drills. When you put the drills down. Oh my gosh, there's a bird right here. Did y'all see that? I did not see the bird. There is a bird right here. Oh my gosh. Purple bird. He blends in good. I did not see that. That's what I love about these. There is a unicorn. Oh my God, there's his horn. So this is a unicorn. It's got a horn right here. Oh my goodness. That's what I'm loving about Josephine Wall's canvases. Stuff is just, it just peeks out, jumps out at you. Oh my gosh, there's a face right here. Oh my God, is that another person? These are lips, there's a nose, there's eyes. Am I crazy? Am I crazy? No, I'm not. I know that's a face. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. And shining. This right here looks like she got some wheat in her hand. But it looks like a scepter when you first look at it. But that looked like wheat to me. She's in her field. Oh my gosh. And this crown. What are you talking about? Look at this big crown. I need to get me one like that. Matter of fact, I am going to get me one like that. I know a place that sells the crowns. You know, they might be real, but they still are crown. I love it. Oh my goodness. Look at all these crosses up here. You know they saying they sparkling like a sparkle. No, this is a sparkle. This is a cross. Don't get it twisted. I absolutely love this one. Oh, Josephine Wall, you did this, girl. All right, so let's look at the drill so we can see where those ABs go. And there are 3 ABs on this one. Flip this baby over. I didn't think she was as big as she is. Oh, 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 oh. There's our first bag of drills, guys. I got stuff all over the floor. I've been crafting, y'all. I've been crafting. Trying to get stuff done. Alright, so let's see. This is one of 1. I mean, 1 of 2. So let's look. And they are labeled Virgo ABs, 2 of 1. 1 of 2. I don't know why they put the 2 before the 1. But out of 2, you got this the first one? I guess. I don't know. Alright, so let's look at this. So in this first bag, we have 2 trains. Alright, so let's look. I see all these beautiful lavenders. Yes, this is the next one that you can tell these are new releases, and they have that silver with the smaller numbers there. That blue and silver stripe. That's how you know they're made from the new machine that they got. So we got this beautiful 208, 2, 3, 4, 5. Googly-boo. 5 bags of 209. That's that beautiful lavender. Oh yeah, my mom loves purple. So this one is, well, my mom does love purple, but this is for Trinity. This is $7.96. That's that blue purple. $8.95. $3.33. I think this is the first time I've gotten $3.33. Awesome. Got 2 bags of that, matter of fact. $7.58. $37.78. Ooh, $7.43. That is a beautiful color. Look at that. I love that color. And then this second bag, second train, $7.75, $9.89, $8.23, $5.50. That's my favorite purple, $5.50. Oh, that's nice. That's going to be in there too. Yes. 904, and I do have ABs for that, so we'll see. 904, 820, 3830. Ooh, 819, that's a very light pink. 3607, 754, 987, 728. Got 2 bags of 744. 3 bags of 211. Beautiful. Oh, that's going to be gorgeous. 356 and 2 bags of 340. All right. That purple lavender, boy, that's going to be everywhere. My baby's going to love this. And then the second one, it says 2 of 2. So when you're putting it up somewhere, oh, this bag feels different. Sorry, guys. I keep mine in a drawer, in a dresser that has, I think, 6 or 8 drawers, and I have filled it up. I think I got like 1, 2 drawers that have other things in it. I think I'm going to have to move them because those drawers are packed with my drills. So unless I find something else I want to put them in, but for right now they're going in that drawer. So when you house it somewhere, okay, we got 2 trains. When you house it someplace other than with the canvas, you need to remember which canvas these drills go with. So I do love that about Diamond Art Club. They label it for you so you know which one it goes with. Now, for me though, I do put this sticker, which is, matter of fact, this is a sticker if y'all didn't know. If y'all seen my kit up video, you can see me cut this up and all that, so stay tuned for more of those. But this is a sticker, and I use this on my Harbor Freight containers to kit up my drills. I put this, once I put the drills back in, I put this inside the bag, so that helps me as well, because I don't store this with the canvas, it's with the drills. So all I'm looking for is the picture when I'm ready to kit up. Alright, so the second bag is $33.71. You got 2 bags of that. That's a milk chocolate. First AB, $141. We know about this $141. Diamond Art Club loves to put $141 in there. That's a white. Beautiful. That can go with any canvas if you got white on it. Then we got 3 bags of $37.46. Just googly boo. Purple down. $7.98. $36.08. Ooh, that's a pretty pink. Oh my gosh, all this purple. Good googly boo. $155. 3 bags of $155 purple. Yes, shoot, if my mom was a Virgo, I would have got this for her. $38.37. Another purple. $8.90. 2 bags of $7.97. Wow, lots of bags. 3 bags of $2.10. I think we went over that again. $38.23 and $2.08. It seemed like I might have said that color in the other bag. Not for sure. Not till I try to kit it up will I remember, but I see I got more bags. $37.70, $8.15, $4.13, $9.47, $3.01, $37.77, yeah, $37.76, $38.26, $38.41, $3.27, $7.82, $33.25, $9.07, $9.17. That's a pretty pink, like a mauve. $4.33, $7.83, $3.68. There's the other AB. Did I see another color in there? Yes. Somebody trying to be an AB. That's what they're trying to do. Shining brighter. So that's the cute. $135. This one, okay, yeah, $134 is the other one. This one's $135, which has that, looks like a lime green, kind of yellowish green AB. It's pretty. $9.38 and $129 AB. Oh wow, I think this is the first $129 I've gotten. That's very pretty. It's like a very pale yellow. That AB is beautiful. All right, so those are the 2 bags. So let's flip it over and see where those ABs go, guys. All right, we have 3 ABs. So $129 was like that baby yellow, which is number 1. So let's see where that one goes. Number ones. I see a few here. Number one, number one. Wow. I don't even see it in there. Wow, I just see 2 right here. Number one. There's one dot there, 2 dot there. I am so tired of them talking about early voting. I don't know when y'all seeing this video, but I hope the election is over. Let me see. I see a couple of ones here. So it's like sprinkled throughout. It's a couple of ones in her dress. Right here, right here. Wow. So you don't, it's not a lot of ones. A little light yellow. There's some sprinkled in with the flowers. It's very sporadic on here for that 129. That little light yellow. Yeah, it's not a lot. Then 135 is like that lime green yellow, greenish yellow. And that's number 2. So we'll start at the bottom because I see some already. Over here in the vines. All this light yellow you see here. Here inside the flowers. Some there. Couple there. Some here. So this lime green here. 2's here, outlining this flower. These flowers. 2's over here highlighting these vines. That's probably it, because there's no more green up here. Yeah. So that's down there. And then the last one is 141, which is number 3. Let's see what that is, because her dress is white. I don't see... Okay. Inside each one of these little shine and the crosses, in the middle, there's one white AB to shine, I guess. There's none in her crown. That's not going to work for me. I will definitely be adding some sparkle. Maybe the centerpiece, maybe this. I have to find the colors, but definitely that crown is going to shine. Alright, and number 3 is the white. Okay. Then in her dress, just here, couple here, some here, a big patch right here, big patch there, and it's like outlining her waist going down on the dress. Here, here. Oh, definitely the unicorn. Oh, the whole outline around him is the white AB. Some ABs here. ABs here around this flower. I don't know if I'm gonna like that. Why all of a sudden it's just right here? I don't. Oh, the butterfly. I don't know about that. Outlining this flower. Pretty. Here. Some here. And all of these little sparkles on the sides here have it. Wow. This is a beautiful canvas. Again, it's Virgo by Josephine Wall and Diamond Art Club. It is a 70 by 87, 27.6 by 34.2. Beautiful face on here. Virgo. And this is my daughter's sign. So y'all let me know what you think. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, guys. Bye-bye.